So what's the solution for the drain on your resources? What's the solution for this drain of a problem? First, remember 5 important things. In order to get more business, you need to be visible online. Because 91% of people are looking for a business online. Secondly, you need a way that guarantees calls, not just clicks. Thirdly, you want these calls to be exclusive to you and not shared with 5 others. Fourthly, you want more revenue out of whatever method you use than what you are spending, with a good ROI, return on investment. Fifthly, you want to not waste your money on useless calls, such as someone looking for a job or someone selling you something, and if it happens, have a way to recoup that loss back to you. How to be more visible online. Now you need to figure out a way to be seen online and be more visible than the next guy, the competition. There are usually 2 good ways. We are discussing with you the 3rd new way here today. The 4th and best is reserved for later, as it is a secret weapon to take over your entire industry. These first 2 ways of being visible online and be seen on the page one of a search engine such as Google or Bing are PPC ads and SEO. Unfortunately, both of these are quite expensive and out of reach for many startups and some established businesses. So what's the solution? The solution then is the pay-per-call advertising by Google, also called local service ads or LSAs. Don't jump to any conclusions yet, like, oh, that does not work, or you never get approved. Let me walk you step by step, so you can fully understand why this may be a helpful and an excellent good option for you. We'll go over these requirements and the steps you can take in upcoming videos. Tell me what you think about this. Just text us